Good morning, Hot Wheels shoppers! It's kind of windy today here in Yuma, Arizona. 7:10 a.m. Look around us. Gusty winds of 25 miles an hour minimum. I don't know if I'm exaggerating, but hey, here we are again at Walmart. To verify the Hot Wheels situation for the day, as I mentioned in my previous video, today is the last week of February 2023. Look at those trash cans on the ground. Okay, let's go inside because it's kind of windy out here. Oh, they don't open. Boink. And this is what we have from yesterday. Alright, this is what we got. Nothing new, same as yesterday, but today is different. Today there's it's kind of nice, no employees doing what they do, working here. But let's see, we got Hot Wheels 20s, we got the mystery models down there, the 5-car sets, and then we got Hot Wheels 9 sets, those launchers. Have you bought one of those? They're like $5. Somebody put this in the wrong place. We gotta fix this, put it where it belongs. Alright, much boxes. The Hot Wheels Super Rigs, those are nice. You like those? Those are $888, and that is $527. 5-car sets for Matchbox right there. More Matchbox. Moving parts the same. And then we have the little box of Adventure Force. Don't know if they dump them there or what, but yeah. We got that Humvee there. Jurassic World. Okay. Looking, nothing new. Yesterday I couldn't do this because the employees were here working and I didn't want to interrupt their activities. Okay, let's put this where it belongs. I think I know where it belongs. I'm gonna put it right, okay, now down there. Everything there. Don't know if that's the right place, but anyways. Well, today, no new cars. Same old stuff from last week, I want to say. And well, the Hot Wheels situation, it's kind of chill and relaxed. And because it's such a short video, I'm gonna have to go to another store just to make more content. So let's go to Family Dollar. And here we are, Family Dollar. Look at the day, it just got worse. Let's go inside Family Dollar, which is open for us. Let's take a look. Hello. Alright, no luck. Hot Wheels. It was a very short and quiet visit to Family Dollar. So now let's go to Dollar Tree. Here we are, Dollar Tree. Let's go inside. Hello. Oh, another hunter right there. I know one when I see one. Let's go. Well, this is how they roll. I don't think they have anything new. Let's back up a little bit. Yeah. Pretty much the same. So if you just want to stop the video right now, stop it. Yep. Just double check. In case. Keep on moving. Lots of them, but old. This little tiny monster truck. It's a little tiny one. $1.25 or $1.30. So one thing I can mention, they have the ramps, the tracks. Hope I guess there you go, and the curbs. Hot wheel curb tracks. That's it. They have that here, and then these showcases. They can fit 6 Hot Wheels. Well, this is the Hot Wheels situation at this Dollar Tree. Nothing much. Normal, good selection. So see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Look, I'm crazy about bone shakers. Mini monster truck. This is the red one. Okay, now I am done. See you tomorrow. Take care. This is the last part. You can, whatever, turn it off. Go watch something else or go and watch my previous videos. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.